Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Guys, Honor is going all out this time. Imagine dropping your phone and getting a free screen replacement for 2 years. Sounds unbelievable, right? So how good is the new HONOR X80 Pro Max? Let's find out. This phone packs a massive 11,000 mAh battery, flagship-level durability, serious waterproofing, and plenty of surprises. If you're planning to upgrade, stay till the end. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First, the X in X80 stands for durability. Now let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the phone, a 90-watt fast charger, USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and a clear protective case. The color is moon shadow white, and let's be honest, it looks very similar to a certain flagship phone. Love it or not, it definitely gives off a premium vibe. The camera module has a stylish lens-inspired design, while the back panel reflects light beautifully. It also feels great in hand. At around 203 grams, it's about 28 grams lighter than the Apple 17 Pro Max, almost like carrying half an egg less. Even with its huge battery, the phone is only 8.08 millimeters thin, making it surprisingly slim and comfortable. On the right, you'll find the power and volume buttons, while the left stays completely clean for a sleek look. At the bottom are the SIM tray, USB-C port, microphone, and speaker. Another speaker and mic sit on top for stereo sound. The interesting part? The IR blaster isn't on top, it's cleverly hidden inside the earpiece. Now here's where this phone really stands out. Most phones promise drop resistance, but if the screen breaks, you're on your own. Honor changes that. If you accidentally crack the display within 2 years, Honor replaces it free, including parts and labor. That's real peace of mind. And waterproofing? It's seriously impressive. It survives water, ice, even hot water without problems. Drop it in the bathroom, just rinse it off and keep using it. Got dirt on it? Wash it. That's exactly how a durable phone should be treated, not like a fragile collectible. You can even shoot underwater photos, making everyday photography a lot more fun. The phone features a 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED flat display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The slim bezels look fantastic, and the flat screen works well with tempered glass protectors. Brightness reaches an incredible 10,000 nits, so outdoor visibility is excellent. It also includes 3840 Hz PWM dimming for better eye comfort during long hours of use. To improve durability, Honor adds dynamic pixel shifting, helping reduce OLED burn-in over time. Performance isn't aimed at hardcore flagship gamers, but it's built for efficiency. The new 4nm Snapdragon 6.5 chipset delivers smooth daily performance with excellent battery life. Games like Honor of Kings run at 90 FPS, making gaming smooth with minimal frame drops. Whether you're a student or casual gamer, this phone easily handles everyday use. For PUBG Mobile, the phone delivers a stable 60 FPS, which is more than enough for most players. The dual speakers also give clear directional audio, making it much easier to hear exactly where enemies are coming from. I also tested the latest open-world mobile game, and honestly, it surprised me. Performance was much smoother than I expected. Sure, this isn't a hardcore gaming phone, but for everyday gamers, it performs really well. Now, let's talk about the biggest highlight, the battery. Despite its slim design, the HONOR X80 Pro Max packs a massive 11,000 mAh fourth-generation battery. To put that into perspective, it's larger than the batteries in many tablets and has more than double the capacity of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's seriously impressive. Charging is just as powerful, with 90-watt fast charging and 27-watt reverse wired charging. In fact, it can even work like a power bank because many actual power banks don't even offer 11,000 milliamp hours. And here's something people often forget. A bigger battery doesn't just last longer, it also stays healthier for years. Even at 80% battery health, you'd still have around 8,800 milliamp hours, which is more than a brand new 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That's why HONOR claims this phone is built to stay reliable for up to 6 years. Of course, a giant battery still can't improve your gaming skills. Another thing that impressed me was how balanced this phone feels. Signal quality is excellent thanks to second-generation Hongyan communication, offering a 66% boost in connectivity. Navigation is also highly accurate with dual-frequency GPS and triple-frequency Beidou, making ride-hailing and delivery tracking quick and precise. Plus, the 400% ultra-high volume mode is perfect if you often use your phone in noisy places. You also get NFC and an IR blaster, so you can unlock access systems, control home appliances, and more. For cameras, there's a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS. It captures solid landscape and portrait shots for daily use. And if you know a little about composition, you can get photos that look surprisingly professional. After all, great photos depend more on the photographer than the phone. So, what's the final verdict? I genuinely think the HONOR X80 Pro Max changes what many people expect from a smartphone. After years of reviewing phones, I realized most users don't chase extreme performance or fancy cameras. They simply want a phone with reliable signal, accurate GPS, amazing battery life, and one that survives everyday accidents. And that's exactly what this phone delivers. It's built to handle real life with outstanding durability, plus a 2-year free screen replacement guarantee for accidental drops. That's a huge advantage and gives real peace of mind. The 11,000 milliamp hour battery also removes battery anxiety and keeps performing well for years. If it gets dirty, wash it. If it falls into water, don't panic. And thanks to its premium design, most people will easily mistake it for a flagship phone. Considering everything it offers, the value here is hard to ignore. Battery life is pro, durability is max. This isn't just another tough phone, it's a phone built for real life. Now it's your turn. Rate the HONOR X80 Pro Max from 0 to 5 in the comments, and what do you think about the camera? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!